Hey bro, it's Jimmy. Couldn't reach you, so I'm leaving you a voicemail. Listen up, you
Hey,
won't
bro.
believe this. I'm in Sunset City right now, and it's absolutely insane, bro.
Hey, bro.
This city is a real paradise for street races. It's got
Hey, bro.
everything. Wild races, crazy drifts, massive cash prizes, awesome cars, and tons of tuning. Even the local cops are cool with us as long as we don't push our luck. And it's all thanks to StreetNet. This new app for races is a total game changer. You can earn a ton of money
Y
just by
pensar
winning
que esto es
races.
de la compañía
StreetNet has turned into a full-blown
del
network for
de
street
drifting.
racers with a system of classes, rating, and
Cuidadito.
rewards. No one knows who's behind it and throwing around all this big money. But the potential here is off the charts. StreetNet is
Cuidadito.
flipping all the rules in this city. I've already scored a couple of sweet rides since I got access. And guess what? I'll help you get in StreetNet. I got the right connections, I'll hook you up.
Venga, va.
This is your chance to start fresh, man. Don't miss it.
Pues nada.
Hit me up when you're ready to come to the city. My friend Alice will meet you and help you get settled. Catch you later, bro.
Bro. Cuidadito, Es un poco raro, pero bueno. Pero mola.
Hey,
Alicia.
I'm Alice, and today I'll
Alice.
be your tour guide. Jimmy's currently setting everything up to getting you hooked up with StreetNet.
Correcto.
No time to chill. Get your stuff and take the wheel.
Del
Welcome
Porsche.
to Sunset City.
Oh la la. Dámelo, baby. Uf. La puta madre. Puta madre. Y se la pela.
You've got some serious skills on the road.
¿Qué va? Tonta.
Our city is huge. It's easy to get lost here. I'll set a route to the port in the navigator. There's a surprise
Voy.
waiting for you there. Done. Let's go.
Bueno.
Huh. Sunset City, the true paradise for racers. Word is out. StreetNet is the reason many flock to this city. No one knows the mastermind behind it, but they pay such money for races. It's mind-blowing. Whoever they are, these guys are the best. Do you want to feel the power of my car? It's
How
equipped
often?
with nitrous. Try pushing it to the max.
Nitro.
Oh, we're almost there. Take a ride at the junction.
Quiero mi coche nuevo. Bueno, viejo.
Jimmy made you a little something for coming to the city. Of course, it ain't a high-end ride, but you'll like it. We're here, finally. So, how do you like the surprise? These are all Jimmy's
puedes
cars
coger
that he's had since the beginning of his career. Choose whichever you like best.
El Honda.
They're all good.
Obvio. El Civic.
Jimmy started his... The cutest... Jimmy didn't use... Jimmy started his career with this great choice.
Claro. Coche marronero.
Awesome. Now you've got something to race with. Look at the house behind us. That's
Coche
where you'll be living from
marronero.
now on. Don't worry, you won't have to pay rent. Jimmy sorted it all out. You can store all your future rides in this spot. I got a message from Jimmy, and guess what? He created a profile for you in StreetNet and arranged your first race with the Wild Juniors Club. Open your phone and share access with me. I'll get you online and fill you in on all the details.
Venga, va, espabila.
Welcome to StreetNet. Pretty cool, huh? In the app, you can see all the racing activities in the city and how much you can earn from them. Wait, you should see the race marker now. Great. The route to the race will be automatically generated. So, ready for your first race?
Correcto.
You'll get to test your ride right away.
Sí.
All the action goes down on StreetNet. I'll be tuned in to see you cross that finish line on the stream. Good luck.
Bueno. Que me deja abandonadito. Toma. Tiene claxon.
Hey there, you in touch? What's up, man? I'm joining up to the race broadcast and we'll be
Muy
following
tunero,
along.
me gusta.
And guess what? A bet on your winning with the leader of the Roxy Foxy Club. If you come win, you'll earn your membership into the club. So don't lose. Good luck.
Vamos.
Don't worry about it. It's the rookies against you. So go for it. I believe in your victory. You're killing it out there. Stay in the lead.
Y lo bueno es que creo que no hay policía, tío. Nadie tocando los huevos. Puta madre.
You're halfway there. Keep pushing. Around the corner is the finish line.
Facilito, ¿eh? Sí.
Congrats on your win, man. Now
That's
you've
right.
earned your place in the Wild Juniors Club. As you might have noticed, StreetNet is a game changer. I've never seen anything like it before, so I knew I had to bring you in. This place is a dream come true for racers, but the real thrill is the StreetNet elite. Everyone's dying to get in, but only a chosen few make it. I don't know all the details about the elite, but trust me, the stakes are sky high. Only the club bosses get to hang out there, and they host elite races with crazy cash prizes. It's not easy to get in, but it's definitely possible. You need to earn respect in any club and challenge their boss. From what I've heard, after you win, the club boss will personally invite you to the elite.
Eso mola.
So keep climbing the ranks in StreetNet. Enter different events, rack up the cash, buy cool cars, upgrade them, and most importantly, have fun. Roxy will reach out to you soon, and I've got a few things to handle. So stay in touch, bro. It was awesome connecting with you again. Catch you later.
Bro. ¿Y ahora?
Hey there, rookie. This is Roxy Foxy from the Wild Juniors
Roxy
Club.
Foxy.
Jimmy was right about you. We had a little wager going and I lost, so you can enter my racing now. Get out there and show us what you can do. Who knows? You might even make it into the StreetNet elite.
¿Y ahora qué tengo que hacer? Sabe Dios. Avanzar por ahí de no. Pero bueno, yo quiero ir a la chicha. Quiero coches y esas cosas. Mapa neumáticos concesionario. Sí, pero ya tienen nombres diferentes al... Ya no me llevo. Puta madre. Cochazo. Un poco más necesito. Una carrera y ya... Uf. Uf. Mira. ¿Has visto? ¿Por qué no me tengo el Ford Focus? Bueno, sí, el nuevo. Es que hay coches, cuidado. No hay otra manera de verlos. No. Puta madre. ¿Por qué más hay por ahí? Modifications. Sí, pero digo yo, aquí no hay como en el otro. No. Porque en el otro hay ya configuraciones que te dan... Te dejan los coches ya clean. Pero no tiene pinta. El estilo, ¿no? Estilo. Carrocería, si va de adelante, fuera. Uf. Hombre, esta sí, por lo menos esta es feísima esa. A ver si le cae bien. Es un cruce así raro, ¿no? Vale. No. Sí, bobo. ¿O no? No sigo, no sigo. Pintura. Bueno, por ejemplo, la defensa de blanco. ¿Qué? Ah. Eso sí. Ya es mucho, ¿no? Amigo. ¿Cuánto me queda? 7000. Animal. Aquí por dentro. ¿Qué es lo otro que veo? Vinilos. Hombre, 32, como que sobra. Ahora sí. ¿Qué le puedo hacer aquí? $5000. Uf. No. O efecto de tarde. ¿Cómo cuesta tanto esto? Esto es demasiado, ¿no? Demasiado. Voy a dejarlo yo.